NBC29 forecast.
Nice evening to take in the winter wonder, the light display, the illumination there at the Boar's Head Resort. There's a live picture. The festivities in terms of winter wonder continue all this week and weekend, and then in select dates through the month of January all the way till the 30th. So if you haven't had an opportunity and you're interested, you might want to take it in. Let's talk about our temperatures today. Only made it up to 51. Now, certainly colder than what we saw over the balmy Christmas holiday weekend with temperatures that were in the 60s and 70s. But for the most part, we were either at or just above seasonal averages today. 49 at the airport. Skies are mostly cloudy, and that's been the case throughout much of the day. 47 at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, a light southerly wind at 8. We currently find 45 in Palmyra. We've got 46 there in Madison, 50 in Lovingston, 46 in Waynesboro, and 47 currently in Stanton. So most of us tonight will see numbers in the mid to lower 40s. We'll hold on to the cloud cover. There may be a sprinkle or an isolated shower. Most locations will remain dry. Remember, our overnight lows this time of year are normally in the mid to upper 20s. Tomorrow, temperatures will climb a little higher. We'll still hold on to a fair amount of cloud cover similar to today. We move into the afternoon. There's likely to be a few spotty showers around mid-50s to around 60 in many locations. And Wednesday we'll have a better opportunity for rain across the region. That's not going to be an all-day event, but there will be showers here on Wednesday, low 60s. But all this week to finish out the final days of this year, above average temperatures. So we may not go below freezing until the new year in terms of overnight lows. In terms of rainfall amounts, maybe a ½ an inch upwards to an inch. That's the American GFS model taking us through Thursday, and the European model much the same. I think an inch may be pushing it, but certainly around a ½ an inch or so is possible. We've got a lot of clouds. We have a front bisecting the mid-Atlantic region, much colder to the north and milder to the south, and we're kind of right in between. So as you look a little farther north, there's been some snow, some sleet, some freezing rain across the keystone state of Pennsylvania and portions of New York, and you go a little farther south and that's where we find our 60s, and we're kind of caught in between with 40s and 50s at this hour, and those were some of the highs today as well. You see the milder air across the southern tier of the country, the colder airs out west, and yeah, it's been stormy for the California, the Sierras, the Cascades, and up into the Rockies. So here we are with Futurecast. In the morning we'll start in the 40s, and then during the day we'll still have a fair amount of clouds around upper 50s to around 60, a few spotty showers, I think more likely tomorrow evening, and then Wednesday we'll have rain across the region, some showers at times, but not an all-day rain event, low 60s for daytime highs. And then jumping ahead to New Year's Day on Saturday after Wednesday, that's probably going to be the next best chance of more widespread rain across the region. So temperatures tonight in the 40s, and that's mild here for a December overnight. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, and Casey and Steve, we will finish out this year on a mild note. Those overnight lows still well above freezing. It looks like at this point Wednesday and Saturday being the best days for rain for this week and upcoming weekend. And right now, a week from today, maybe a pattern change that'll knock those temperatures back down into the upper 30s and low 40s for daytime highs. Overnight lows back in the 20s.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We will be right back.